visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Let's check kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see the video, the message is also meant to find you. The Seven of Cups, the Devil card, and the High Priestess. Bakit hindi ka nakikinig sa gut feeling mo? Pwede kasing, sagot ko, tanong ko. Pwede kasing napahama ka na rin ng gut feeling mo. Feeling mo kasi gut feeling yon. Ang gulo, so ganito yan, kinutuban ka. Yung kutob mo, feeling mo kasi kutob yon, pero na-ansya ka doon, napraning ka doon. Ang hirap kasi i-distinguish minsan ng kutob sa pagkapraning. Sometimes may thin line yan eh. Hindi mo alam, ano ba, napapraning ba ako o kutob ba to? Well, anyway, tinamaan ka ng pagkapraning. Siguro, ito yung time na nasabi mo, sadali, mali yung kutob ko. Yung definition mo ng kutob, ng praning kutob. So, eto nga, ngayon, the writings are on the walls. No, hindi mo ngayon tinitignan kahit na may mga the signs are loud and clear. Nandyan na siya sa harapan mo, ayaw mo pa rin tignan. So, either nagbubulag-bulagan tayo or talagang hindi natin alam, no? Parang meron pa yatang mga kumakalabit sa yung tao. Huy, hindi mo ba napapansin si person mo ganito, ganyan, ganyan? Parang, huy. Tas ang nasasabi mo naman, itong mga sulsulera, no? Hindi na lang pakialaman yung buhay nila. So, bakit kayo ba nahihirapan? Kayo ba lolokohin? So, may mga ganun tayo. Ayaw natin pakinggan. So, meron tayong dito, pagka matigas ang ulo. Very stubborn. The High Priestess and the Eight of Cups. Willing ka rin to cut other people out. Okay. Ganon kay strong ang pagmamahal, the Devil card. There might be some obsession. It might not be you. It can also be your person. You can switch the energies ha. Pwedeng hindi ikaw to, pwedeng yung person mo. What I'm reading is the dynamic. Parang, so this is where being in love goes extreme, diba? Willing to cut ties with other people. But sometimes, yes. Pero I feel like kaya siya naging extreme is because nasa tamang path yung mga tao nakapaligid. Ikaw yung ayaw. So, with the Devil card nga, no? So, nakikita din natin dito na somewhat. Kasi, minsan, kapag lagi na natin nakikita, no? Kahit tayo, humarap tayo sa salamin. We think, dahil parang yung mga changes, hindi natin napapansin, it looks normal. Pero yung iba, di ba, napapansin na, I think that there's something in you. No? Kahit man nagtitake tayo ng mga, let's say, mga glutathione, parang, bakit parang walang nangyayari? And then yung mga tao, parang pumupusyaw ka, di ba? Merong mga ganon. So, hindi man natin nakikita, ang salamin natin, minsan yung ibang tao. Pero yung iba kasi critics din naman. Sa panahon ngayon, mas nauuna ang critics. The Five of Cups and the Tower. This might be a sign na baka pagsisihan mo. The Five of Cups. And this might be a sign na dahil hindi ka nakinig, hindi mo tinignan yung mga signs din na nasa paligid sa'yo, or talagang nagbulag-bulagan ka, alam mo na, yun ang masakit doon, alam mo na nagbubulag-bulagan ka. This might be a devastation that might gonna put yourself into unfortunate event, which I feel like you are not going to like this. So again, this might be a warning, no? And you should listen. And probably if you're looking for a sign, this might be a sign that you need to listen to your intuition, you need to listen to the people around you, with the Three of Wands, the Sun, and the Four of Wands. Parang ang nakikita natin dito, mas mapapabuti ka to separate temporarily, no? There might be a big event that this person's going to encounter, and you might going to be dragged into that scenario. Well, unless na lang din na willing ka rin, no? Willing ka rin to be on that position, then again, I'm not here to judge. No, if that works for you, kung yun ang makakapagpasaya sa'yo, by all means, samahan mo siya, no? Kung feeling mo talagang kasi hoda, no, na yung pagsakluban, basta kasama ko siya, by all means. As long as masaya ka, we're not here to stop you, no? But then again, kung ayaw mo naman mapunta sa ganung situation, then it's probably time to listen, no? Kasi may mga changes naman, although it may take a little time. The only thing that you can do here is to give your person some enlightenment. But the changes should come from a person's willingness, no? Ganon. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, no? Pwedeng lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign or a placement in your chart. Again, bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Ayan. So this is your reading. Oh, wala pa pala. Leo. Oy, Leo ha. Fire signs buo. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Oy, buo din water sign. Taurus, Capricorn.